C# is a modern, general-purpose programming language developed by Microsoft. It was created in the year 2000 by a team led by Anders Hejlsberg as part of Microsoft's .NET initiative. C# is an object-oriented language with a syntax similar to C++ or Java, designed to be simple yet powerful. Developers use C# to build a wide range of applications, from Windows desktop programs to web services, mobile apps, and games. It runs on the .NET platform, now cross-platform with .NET Core, and is known for its strong typing, performance, and developer productivity features. For beginners, C# is considered relatively approachable because of its clean, readable syntax and comprehensive tooling. C# was first released in 2000 with .NET Framework 1.0 and has since gone through many versions of evolution. It was designed at Microsoft by Anders Hejlsberg, creator of Turbo Pascal and Delphi, and his team, essentially as a Java-like language for the new .NET platform. Early on, C# was standardized internationally, approved by ECMA in 2002 and ISO in 2003, which helped solidify its foundation. Over the years, Microsoft added major features: generics in C# 2.0, 2005, LINQ in C# 3.0, 2007, async and await for asynchronous programming in later versions, and many more, keeping the language modern. In the mid-2010s, the .NET ecosystem, including C# compilers and runtime, was open-sourced and made cross-platform, greatly expanding C#'s reach beyond Windows. C# is used in a wide variety of industries and applications thanks to its versatility. In enterprise software development, C# with .NET is a popular choice for building business applications, web services, and back-end systems. Many large companies use it for internal tools and high-traffic web applications. C# is also a big player in the game development world. The Unity game engine uses C# for scripting, making C# the go-to language for thousands of games on PC, mobile, and consoles. Developers use C# to build desktop applications, especially on Windows using WPF or Windows Forms, and mobile apps using Xamarin or .NET MAUI for cross-platform development. Even in emerging areas like cloud computing, C# is common, for example, writing Azure cloud functions or services. From finance and healthcare software to virtual reality simulations and tools, you'll find C# being used whenever a reliable, efficient programming language is needed. One strength of C# is its rich ecosystem of frameworks and tools, which target different domains. ASP.NET Core is a powerful web development framework that allows you to build dynamic websites, APIs, and services using C#. For instance, the back-end of Stack Overflow is built with ASP.NET MVC in C#. It's widely used in enterprise web applications due to its performance and scalability. Unity is a popular game engine that uses C# as its scripting language. Unity is used for developing 2D and 3D games and AR/VR applications. In fact, it powers over 50% of all mobile games in the market. C# via Unity has enabled a huge indie game development boom and is also used in many professional games. .NET MAUI, Multi-Platform App UI, is a framework for building native mobile and desktop apps with C# from a single codebase. Evolving from Xamarin, MAUI allows developers to target Android, iOS, Windows, and macOS using one C# project. This is great for creating cross-platform apps, released stable in 2022 as part of .NET 6, desktop, and other. C# also has frameworks for traditional desktop software like Windows Forms and WPF for Windows applications. For cloud development, C# integrates seamlessly with Azure SDKs, enabling developers to write cloud functions, microservices, and serverless code in C#. In summary, the C# ecosystem provides libraries and tools for almost every need: web, mobile, gaming, desktop, and cloud, making it a one-stop language for full-stack development. The job market for C# developers is robust and well-established. Common job titles include C# developer, .NET software engineer, full-stack .NET developer, and Unity game developer. These roles span many industries. You might work on finance systems, healthcare IT, enterprise resource planning tools, or game development, all using C#. In terms of salary, C# developers are well compensated. For example, in the United States, the average salary for a C#/.NET developer is around $110,000 per year as of 2024. Mid-level developers often earn in the six figures. Even entry-level .NET developers command competitive salaries, and senior C# engineers can earn significantly more, especially in high-cost regions or specialized fields like gaming or finance. The demand for C# talent has been steady or growing. The .NET developer market is projected to add tens of thousands of jobs in the coming decade. In fact, salaries have seen about 10 to 11% growth over the past 5 years in this field, indicating healthy demand. Overall, knowing C# opens up opportunities in numerous companies, from large enterprises to small studios, with career paths in both application development and game development. How does C# compare to other popular programming languages? In terms of community and usage, C# is consistently among the top languages. On Stack Overflow, for instance, C# is one of the top 3 most discussed programming languages on the site, alongside JavaScript and Java. There are over 1 million questions tagged C#, which means a huge community knowledge base is available. On GitHub, C# ranks in the top 5 or so languages used in public repositories, reflecting its significant presence in open-source projects. Though languages like JavaScript, Python, and Java tend to have more repositories, given their use in many domains. In the job market, C# holds a strong position. Surveys of recruiters show C# skills are in high demand. For example, one survey in 2024 found about 25% of hiring professionals were seeking C# developers, placing C# fourth behind Python, JavaScript, and Java in that survey. This means C# is roughly on par with C++ and ahead of languages like PHP or Ruby in demand. While languages such as Python or JavaScript might have more buzz in certain areas, like data science or web startups, C# has a stable and mature ecosystem with enterprise backing. It consistently appears in top 10 language popularity indexes, often in the 4th to 6th range. For a developer, this means C# is a safe and valuable choice. Its community, such as millions of questions on Stack Overflow, and its ongoing use in industry, ensure that skills in C# remain marketable. Thanks for watching.